Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country so wey be Nigeria. Once again, we don come with breaking news, we don come with updates. Me get reports for my table like this wey the general public need to dey aware about. And this informate good people. Na update about the things and things wey dey play for inside Port Harcourt. And the koko now be say the political crisis for inside Rivers State just dey escalate further. The political tensions now don increase gear, and this na sake of the serious allegations made by the former head of service wey be Dr. George, and he make the allegations against Governor Siminalayi Fubara. And after the allegations come board, men come dey receive reports of the sudden disappearance of the former head of service wey plaster allegations. And sake of the reports, the wife of Dr. George come dey desperately dey plead for help. This whole controversy now don kuku make country people now come dey wonder wetin dey true dey happen for inside Rivers State. Without wasting much of your time, good people, make I summary you the genesis of the controversy. No say in a shocking revelation, the former Rivers State head of service wey be Dr. George him publicly accused the suspended governor of Rivers State wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara say na him mastermind the burning of the Rivers State House of Assembly complex. Dr. George wey resigned from his position just last week after serving under the administration of Sir Sim Fubara na dey yarn this explosive claim so during an exclusive interview wey he get with Tori people on Friday night. According to how the talk dey come outside from him mouth, he say he can no longer keep silent on wetin happen o. Say the burning of the assembly complex was not an accident but na a deliberate act wey dey sanctioned from the very top. And no be lie, my good people, on the 29th day of October for inside the year 2023, the legislative building bin catch fire. And at the time wey the incident for happen so, political crisis bin plaster. The thing bin dey between the governor of the state wey be Sir Sim Fubara and the lawmakers wey dey loyal to the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and that na Wike. And now the former head of service for inside Rivers State wey be Dr. George dey yarn dey give the general public say the incident happened just few hours before an impeachment plot against the governor of the state, and the incident was deliberate and intentional. And the allegations of Dr. George dey directly contradict the official government's position. No say at the time of the incident, the government bin dey yarn say the fire incident happen sake of electric malfunction, but Dr. George dey yarn otherwise, and he say he get documents to prove say true na men na set fire for the House of Assembly complex wey be say na accident. And he said na Mr. Edison wey be the chief of staff to Governor Siminalayi Fubara na carry out the act under the directives of the governor. And the former chairman of Obiakpo local government area wey be Chijoke Iwunwo, he witnessed when the governor of the state dey give bag of money to Mr. Edison to go carry out the operation. A day after the incident, he almost resigned, but in the fear sake of say he know the power of the governor, he know the influence wey dey follow, and he know very well say Sir Sim Fubara know say him dey aware of everything wey dey plan. And as he don know very well say Sir Sim Fubara just dey pretend to be innocent, the man na wolf under sheep clothing, he no come dey comfortable for office. Dr. George come still proceed further dey claim say Governor Fubara bin dey plan to use his influence over oil facilities in Rivers and Bayelsa states to destabilize the federal government and support the Bauchi state governor wey be Bala Mohammed in a bid for the 2027 presidency. But however, my good people, the suspended governor of Rivers State wey be Siminalayi Fubara, he don deny the accusations and he don drop statement about the matter. And for inside the statement, in the yarn say his attention has been drawn to a press briefing by the former head of service wey be Dr. George, and normally if for no respond to the claims, if for no talk anything, but sake of the impression wey the allegations now go create for the mind of Rivers State people and the general public, sake of the disaffection wey the thing dey bound to cause for inside Rivers State and the country, he gats correct the error, he gats talk something about the matter. Sir Sim Fubara now come dey yarn say the truth of the matter be say Dr. George has been compromised, and anything wey dey yarn for inside the interview is only aimed at fulfilling his promises to those men wey don pay am money to cause kasala, to those men wey don pay am money to lie against him wey be Sir Sim Fubara. Then he come dey yarn dey give all meaning Nigerians and good people of Rivers State to make them disregard everything wey Dr. George talk for inside the press briefing. Say that na just mere attempt to discredit him and his administration and even undermine the peace process made by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Meanwhile, few hours after Dr. George plaster allegations against Sir Sim Fubara, his wife wey dey go by the name Florence publicly dey raise concerns about the safety of her husband. She na come dey yarn dey give tori pipu say her husband wey be Dr. George, former head of service of Rivers State, arrive Abuja, and Dr. George come let im wife know say yes, im don arrive Abuja and she was happy. But where she come dey get concerns na sake of the interview wey she see online, and immediately she watch that interview, she know very well say something don dey wrong somewhere, and she come try to dey reach her husband but she no fit. She try to text but the man no dey reply, and that na come make her begin dey panic, and she come dey raise alarm say dem go don kidnap her husband. And sake of the way the thing be her for body, sake of say she dey desperate for help, she come reach out to the suspended governor of Rivers State wey be Sir Fubara. And during the phone call, the suspended Rivers State governor wey be Sir Fubara bin dey try clear his head. Him dey try yarn say im dey innocent of the allegations wey Dr. George don plaster against am for the interview. But the wife dey yarn say im know already, say im dey believe say dem don force im husband to dey talk all those levels wey im dey talk so for inside the interview. And the reason why his husband true resign from office na sake of say he no want trouble. But after every Sir Fubara come dey assure Mrs. Florence wey be the wife of Dr. George say im go do everything wey dey within his powers to make sure say the former head of service dey safe and sound. And all these levels, so this development dey happen sake of say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu declare a state of emergency for Rivers State. And on that same Tuesday wey im declare the emergency rule, im still suspend elected officials for inside Rivers State. And the elected officials dey include Governor Fubara plus his deputy and all members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. And the suspension na for 6 months. And to take over governance for inside Rivers State, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come appoint the retired Vice Admiral Ibok Ibas as sole administrator of the state. Although many groups, many lawyers, PDP governors, associations, them stakeholders, all of them don kick against the declaration. And men dey yarn say e no get anywhere for our constitution where an elected President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go get power to suspend an elected governor or elected officials them. So the decision is unconstitutional and illegal. But on the other hand, the presidency and the All Progressive Congress all dey in support of our president. Dem na dey yarn say our president, the things and things wey im declare is in line with the law, and he take the decision to prevent a breakdown of law and order for inside Rivers State. This my good people, na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as they come with more news, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Now me they come back again with more updates and reports for you my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.